have been told last term that one day we will receive a visitor to present a gift to outstanding students. Today, we are privileged that the visitor is here. And we can see that we have got two visitors. We are having Mr. and Mrs. Mwale. Mr. and Mrs. Mwale. Mr. Mwale happened to be one of the students of this school sometimes back. So he thought it wise to revisit his school, his old school, so that he can have a look at his old school and at the same time to present gifts to outstanding students. So, as I have already said that I don't have much to say. At this point in time, let me call upon the director. Maybe we can speak a few things, and then he will ask the visitor to address you, and then present the gifts to the outstanding students. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Once again, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
As already alluded to, this is a blessed day. We are enjoying the presence of Mr. and Mrs. Mwale. Mr. Mwale, as you are being told, is an alumnus, because it's single, alumni plural, is an alumnus to this school. Remember, Chikhulupiliro is an old school, though it looks not to grow, but it is an old school. The first private secondary school in Phalombe is Chikhulupiliro. It opened its doors to pupils in 2002. And during that time, our classes were along Zomba Road. And some other people you know, we were using some rooms that were once shops around Zomba Road. It is God that have brought us to this far. We have a good land that if people like you who come back to